What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Son Goku from Dragonball Daima. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two small ovals for the eyes. Let's start over on the left side, come around towards the bottom and then back up. Let's leave a gap and draw the same sized oval on the right side. And we'll fill the eyes in black. Now I want to surround the eyes with the eyelid. So directly above the left eye, we're going to go up, come around the side, and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going around the eye, coming down the side, and then hook that in. In between the eyes along the bottom, let's draw a C shape for the nose. And we'll step down, add a curve for the mouth, coming down, and then up. Underneath the eyes, let's add that shadow. We're going to draw two curves, one along the top, step down, and draw that again. And then we'll move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's line up at the top of the eye, over on the left side, angle the head, coming down, then in towards the jaw, and then do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now you want to round out the jaw, come down an angle, and then in towards the chin. Round up the chin, go up, then round up the right jaw. Now you can draw the bottom edge of the hair just above the eyes. Let's start on the left. Draw a short curve coming in, go out, up, and in. Let's add another point coming in towards the left eye, coming in towards the top, bend this around, and then up. Let's add a large point in the center, coming down, and then in towards the middle, go up and over towards the right. Now a curve in the opposite direction, coming in towards the right eye, go out towards the side. Now I'm going to add that same point along the side of the head and then bend that out. Now I want to layer the eyebrows in behind the hair. Let's start on the top left. We're going to curve this up and in, continue on the right side, coming in and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up and out, and then bend this down. Now I want to thicken up the eyebrows. Start back on the outside, going up high in the middle, and just pull that down toward the point on the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now let's move up to the side of the head and draw on the ears. From this point, we're going to step down, curve the ear going up, around, and then bend that in toward the jaw. Let's line that up on the right and we'll go in the opposite direction, coming around and then back in. Let's add a fold along the top of the ear, and go up and then hook that down. Let's go back to the inside, bend this out, and then hook that in. Now we're going to work our way around the outside points of the hair. Let's start underneath the ear, then it's up and then out on either side, and then taper that back in towards the side of the ear. Let's add a larger point on the left side. We're going to go up and out, bend this up and then down towards the side. Let's go over towards the right. We're going to draw a slightly smaller point, going out, bend that in towards the side. Let's add one more, going up and out, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to go back over towards the left side and draw a large spike. I'm going to go up, and then bend that out, go up toward the top, and then bring that down. Let's add one more point in the center. We bend this up and over toward the left, come in, and then down on top of the head. Let's close off the right side with a curve, going out and then down. Let's add a couple strands coming out from the side of the head. Start from this point, going up and then out, go up to this point, bend this around, and then one more on the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar first, starting over on the left, bend this down, and then up. Let's move out to the side, bend the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Close off the bottom with a curve, going down and then up. Let's move up and draw that same curve for the top of the sash. And then we're going to add a strap going across the body. Let's start from the top left side of the collar, bend this down and then over towards the right. Step out and draw that again. Now I'm going to add a knot along the bottom. Draw 2 straight angled lines. Let's add the end coming in and down. Flatten this off and pull that back up. Let's add another one going up, going out and up. Flatten off the end and bend that back in. Let's layer the vest across the body. Start from the top right side of the collar, bend this down and in behind that strap. Continue out towards the left. And I see the bottom edge in behind that strap coming down and in. Let's go back up underneath the head. We're going to slope the shoulders coming down and out towards the side. And we just want to tuck the sleeve in towards the side of the body with a curve. Let's go back down to the hips, bend this out and then down. Close off the end with a curve. Now from this line, we're going to step down, draw a straight angled line. Let's go to the center, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. And then in the middle, bend the left leg coming down and then out. Go back to the center, come down and out towards the right. From the outside point, let's step in, bend the leg, coming down and then in. And then we'll round out the bottom of the leg. From the inside, let's draw a straight angled line coming down towards the heels. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Coming down then up towards the outside. Let's go back to the left. We're going to draw the top of the foot. We're going to bend this up and then bend that down in towards the heels. Let's go to the outside of the leg. We're going to draw that same angled line coming down and out on top of the feet. Now we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take that same curve and just trace that across the top. From the top curve of the foot, let's step up, bend this down and then in. Go towards the side of the foot and draw that same curve for the strap. Now let's go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We're going to start with the arm on the left. Let's start just up above the sash, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. From the bottom of the thumb, let's draw the first finger, coming down and then bend that up around that bracket. Go out to the side, go out and then in. And then the third finger, just going to blend this up and then in underneath the sleeve. Let's add the wristband. From the top of the thumb, bend this out and then up, step up, and draw that again. Let's go up to the top of the arm on the inside, draw the edge of the sleeve, going out and then up. Now you want to draw the right arm holding the staff. So we're going to start from the top of the shoulder, step down, bend the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb, going up and then down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and in. Come down to the bottom, draw another oval, going up underneath the thumb. And then we'll do that one more time. Now you want to place that staff at an angle behind the hand. Let's start on top of the thumb, draw a straight angle line, going up toward the top. Let's continue that line underneath the hand, coming down in behind the foot. From the top of that line, step over towards the right, draw another straight line coming in behind the hand, and then continue down along the bottom. Let's close off the top with a curve. Now I'm going to go back to the thumb and draw the edge of the palm, going all the way around the fingers and then out in behind the staff. From the bottom of the palm, let's draw the arm coming in and then up. Let's line up the edge of the sleeve, going out and then up. And I'll draw the edge of the wristband, draw that same curve. Now we're going to layer that tube in behind the body. Let's start from the hip, come down with an angled line, round at the end, draw that same angled line going up in behind. Now you want to take that and flip it up above the left shoulder. So we're going to start up here, going up. That's going to round at the top, and then sign our art and add some color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Son Goku from Dragon Ball Daima. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.